In this video, I will show you the best method to get a US WhatsApp number when living outside the United States. I see so many people struggling with this and keep getting the message, the phone number you entered is not a valid number in the US, or even getting a ban. So in this quick video, I show you exactly which service I use for my American phone number for WhatsApp, and the method to not get banned. Alright, so before we dive into any of the specific methods, we need to set up the foundation that is essential to make this work, and that is having the right VPN setup. This is absolutely critical, and it's where most people mess up. You simply cannot use a free VPN or a basic shared VPN for this. When you use a regular VPN service like this, you're getting a different IP address every time you connect. WhatsApp tracks this behavior and flags it as suspicious. They know you're not actually in the US if your IP changes from New York to California to Texas to LA every few hours. And even if you use a free VPN and get through the verification process, there's a high chance your account stops working and you see this message, which of course is not what we want. What we need instead is called a dedicated IP or static IP. This means you get one specific IP address in the United States that only you use every single time. It's like having your own house address in the US that never changes. And this way, WhatsApp sees consistent behavior from the same location, and they cannot detect that you're using a VPN. Now, I personally have this dedicated IP on my PC and phone as well, which you can connect to and then access the internet. And the way I would get the static IP is using a service with a dedicated IP setup. Now, the service I personally use and recommend is NordVPN with their dedicated IP feature. You can also set up complicated proxy setups that work as well. But the easiest for me and most people will be using one of NordVPN, and I'll show you how that works. On your NordVPN account, look for a section that's Services NordVPN Dedicated IP. You want to set it up, and then from the dedicated IP locations, you can search for specific US ones. That is important. For example, here you could choose Miami, LA, New York, Seattle, Dallas, Chicago. Personally, I chose New York. Once you select that, you get your own server with your hashtag code, the location in the United States, and your own IP address, which is only used by you. This way, apps like WhatsApp cannot detect that you're even using a VPN. Now, for this exact setup, I'll leave a link down below. When you click on that link, it'll bring you here where you can click Get NordVPN, and now it's really important that you choose any basic plan that you want, and right here at the extra services, you want to add the dedicated IP to it. It costs a little more, but it's definitely worth it. Now, let's get to the actual method of getting your US phone number for WhatsApp.
This method involves buying your own virtual phone number for a monthly fee. And I want to personally recommend that works with WhatsApp is called Receive SMS. Again, I'll put the link down below in the description. So on here, you can create an account and then click on Create Your Inbox. And right here, we can click Add New Numbers. And we can now rent our own phone number. As you can see, we can choose between a Canadian number, a UK number, and also US number right here. And instead of trying to get a free note from Google, you pay a small monthly fee to rent the US phone number. These numbers are specifically designed for verification purposes, and they work with WhatsApp, Telegram, and pretty much any other service you need. So I will simply select this number right here. I click on Buy Now. And then as you can see, this is the dashboard of my virtual number. I will open up my phone into WhatsApp, and now I simply fill in this number right here. And we're gonna make the connection. Click on Next, click on Yes, and I'll select the year when I was born. I'll select 2000, I enter the name, send the code, and it should be good. And yes, now I need to wait till the code comes, and then I receive the code and I fill it in right here. Just like that, and now it's gonna validate, and it should be all good and making the account, which it seems like it is. And now, as you can see, I created this WhatsApp account successfully, which I can now go ahead and use. You can now keep using this number for auto verification as well if you rent it per month.
If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, I will leave all the links down below in the description. Have a good day.